Kim Jong-nam murder trial. Malaysia rejects call to release Vietnamese woman. Channel News Asia. Shah Alam, Malaysia. A Vietnamese woman accused of the half-brother of North Korea's leader will continue trial after Malaysian prosecutors rejected a request from Vietnam to free her on Thursday, March 14. And the Vietnamese government had made the call after Don Thi Huang's co-accused, an Indonesian woman by the name of Siti Aisyah, was released on Monday. Huang and Aisyah were a banned chemical weapon at Kuala Lumpur Airport in February 2017. Wearing a bulletproof vest and a red headscarf, Huang arrived at the Malaysian court where she has been on trial for a year and a half over the assassination. She sobbed in the dock as the news was announced, and tearfully told reporters
Raindrops, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.